Hey fam, this is Michaelia Dobbin, your certified Wired to Win DNA coach. I wanted to let you know that my new planner came in this weekend. I got through with the old one and I'm excited to jump in and just immerse in this whole system. Based on where I am right now, I think this is something that's going to help me to be as organized as I can be so that I can reach my goals in this season. Some things that the Lord has me working on. This is going to help me stay streamlined. There's an opportunity inside where you can write down your history and your news story. And that just helps you to figure out what is it that I want my life to look like. And once that's done, it's a whole seamless process of going from visioning to writing, or think with ink, as we like to call it, and be able to watch your goals go from idealization, moving all the way through to manifestation. You know, being a transformational coach and a therapist, aspects of this that I really like is the gratitude sections, the affirmations, the what not to do, the things to stop doing. The weekend ritual is actually something that I find very, very useful. And this is where you get an opportunity to reflect on the week, celebrate your wins, and then, determine what do I need to do to make even better progress next week. Also, that you can stay on top of your goals, whether personal, professional, spiritual, financial goals. I'm really looking forward to diving in, getting into this system and going on this journey. So if you feel like this is something that will be helpful to you and you want to go on that journey with me, let me know. You can reach out to me at 860-901-1708. Or if you prefer WhatsApp, then you can find me at 413-209-4553. Until we connect, go be great and have a winning day. Bye-bye.